Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Google Business Profile. This is the fastest route. Enter your exact business name, physical address, phone, and website. Consistency matters for search. Once entered, pick the primary category that best describes what you do to influence search relevancy. Choose your service area if you serve customers at locations, otherwise set a storefront. Make sure to select available verification methods now so you can proceed immediately to verification. Once basic details are saved, deepen your profile. Add specific categories and a short, clear description that includes key services and local terms. Upload a logo, cover image, and several interior or exterior photos. Good images increase clicks. Add products or services with prices if relevant. This helps filter conversions. Then configure hours, special hours, and attributes like wheelchair access or payment methods. These steps improve discovery and set correct expectations for customers. You finalize by completing verification. Enter the code from the postcard or confirm by phone or email so your profile goes live. Once verified, regularly respond to reviews, publish posts for offers, and update photos. These actions boost visibility and trust. Monitor insights for clicks and directions so you can refine categories and content. If verification fails or information is incorrect, request re-verification, use the edit request flow, and contact support channels to resolve disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.